Questions 1 through 10 on the 2018 Grade 7 Gauss Math Contest. What number should be subtracted from 21 to give 8? 21 minus x is 8, and therefore 21 minus 8 is equal to x, and therefore x is 13. So number 1, the answer is B. In the diagram, the pie chart shows the results of a survey asking students to choose their favorite fruit. 100 students were surveyed. How many students chose banana? 20% chose banana, so 0.2 times the total number of students, which is 100. 0.2 times 100 is 20. So number 2, the answer is D. A class begins at 8:30 a.m. and ends at 9:05 a.m. on the same day. In minutes, what is the length of the class? So we're going from 8:30 to 9:05, and I guess if you just count the minutes, 8:30 to 9 is 30 minutes, and then you add another 5, 35 minutes. So number 3, the answer is C. The area of a square is 144. What is the side length? So we've got this square here, and let's say the side length is x. The area is x squared, and they told me that is 144. So take the square root of both sides, and when you do, you get 12. So number 4, the answer is D. If there is no tax, which of the following costs more than $18 to purchase? Okay, let's go through these. 5 $1 items and 5 $2 items. So that is a total of $15. The next one, 9 $1 for $2. That would be 9 plus 8, which is 17. 9 $1, 5 $2. That's 19. The next one, if you do that, 14, and the last one is 16. So of these, the only one that's greater than 18 is choice C for number 5. Which of the following numbers lies between 3 and 4 on the number line? Well, let's convert these to decimals. That'll be a little bit more helpful, I think. 2.5, 2.75, 2.2, and then 3.25, 2.6. So of these, the only one that's between 3 and 4, obviously, is D. An envelope contains 2 sunflower seeds, 3 green bean seeds, and 4 pumpkin seeds. Carrie randomly chooses one of these seeds from the envelope. What is the probability that Carrie chooses sunflower seed? Okay, so we have 2S, 3G, and 4P. So if we choose one and we want it to be a sunflower seed, the probability is going to be 2, because there's 2 sunflower seeds over the total number of seeds, which is 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is 9. So 2 over 9 is the answer to number 7, which is choice A. If x is 4 and 3x is equal to y, what is y? Y is equal to 3x. Substitute the value for x, which is 4. And that gives me 3 times 4, which is 12. So number 8, the answer is A. The measure of one angle of an isosceles triangle is 50. The measure of the other angles in the triangle could be. Well, let's draw a isosceles triangle. So something like this, I guess. And let's label this. So one angle is 50. So let's say that one is 50. Then because it's isosceles, this angle also has to be 50. And this angle here, let's say if it's x plus 50 plus 50 is 180. So when you do that math, you get x equal to 80. So they're saying the measures of the other angles, so the other angles would be this guy and this guy, 50 and 80, which is choice C for number 9. The 26 letters of the alphabet are written in order clockwise around a circle. The cipher text of a message is created by replacing each letter of the message by the letter that is 4 letters clockwise from the original letter. That is called a Caesar cipher. For example, the message zap has ciphertext det, DET. What is the ciphertext of win? Okay, so you're going three letters ahead. So W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, and so on. So 4 letters, right? 4 letters ahead would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So that win, the W would transform to an A. Okay, we got to transform now the I. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, and so on. So 4 letters after the I, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that I transforms to an M. And then what's next here? N. Okay, well, let's just continue here. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, and so on. 4 letters after the N would be 1, 2, 3, 4, R. So that N transforms to an R. So the win transforms into AMR. Therefore, number 10, the answer is C.